Good morning, good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Friday, October 9th, 2020. Wildcats, please stand, say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I pledge to the Texas flag, honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Will you please join us for our moment of silence? Thank you, Wildcats. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. So if anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the principals, or any other trusted adult. Wildcats, we have some birthdays today in the house. We do have one happy belated birthday to Miss Guzman, whose birthday was yesterday. And then we have happy birthday wishes to Ricardo in 4th and Sophia in 1st. Saturday, Viviana in 3rd and Eddie in 4th. And on Monday, happy birthday to Dahlia in 5th grade. And today, a very happy celebrity birthday to Miss Maria Perez, our custodian. The character education themes for the month of October are compassion and tolerance. Our quote comes to us from 20th century songwriter John Lennon. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Monday is a school holiday, so we will see you all, whether you're face-to-face or virtually, Tuesday the 13th. With something to think about, Wildcats, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Make it a great day, Wildcat. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you all back, whether virtually or face-to-face, Tuesday.